Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadija.com and welcome to another episode of Etsy tutorials. Today I'm going to be talking about how to respond to conversations quickly using Etsy Snippets. It's a really great tool that is going to maximize your revenue in other ways because now you are responding to people a lot quicker, so therefore the chances of them buying from you actually do increase. So this is a really nice tool that you should be using when responding to conversations. If this is your first time visiting my Etsy channel and you are an Etsy seller, or maybe thinking of becoming an Etsy seller, or maybe you already have a handmade business, this is the channel to be. Make sure that you subscribe because I upload weekly videos about Etsy and how to grow an Etsy business as well as small business tips. So make sure that you subscribe today. So let's go ahead and get started. So whenever I respond to a customer's conversation, like let's say somebody emails me and says, hey, I want to learn more about the sign, or do you make custom logos, or whenever I complete an order, especially as I sell a lot of digital downloads, I already have my conversation saved in my notebook or my notepad. So if I have a custom order, and not a custom order, if I've completed an order and it's a digital download order, I already have this right here, pre-made. I copy and paste, and it saves me time instead of me typing it manually. Um, the nice thing about Etsy snippets is that you could save the actual message into the Etsy snippet. So therefore, you don't have to find this conversation in your notes or wherever you put it out in your Word document or wherever you save notes is already in the actual conversation. So for instance, all you have to do is copy whatever message that you have, and when you go to your conversations, so let's say I'm going to respond to this person here. You click on response, and then right here, you see this little box here. This is for Etsy snippets. So what I would do is I would put, let's say this was like I completed an order. I would paste it in there. So I paste the conversation in there that I completed the order. I email them the file. Please see the screenshot I attached, blah, 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 blah. What I would do is save this. So I'm going to name this as completed order, and I'm going to save it. So now every time that I'm going to respond to someone after I completed their order, all I have to do is reply to the message or reply to the original order, go down here on snippets, click on complete order, and the whole thing appears. Isn't that cool? If I have another one, like a different one, like let's say someone says they want a custom order, normally, it's the same message. I write back to them, hi, thanks for stopping by my shop. Yes, I can do that custom order. Let me know if you're interested, and I will send you a custom order to purchase. Thanks for considering my shop. That's normally like the details that I tell somebody. So let's say I want to save that message. I will go in here, paste it. I will go to snippet, and then I will save this snippet. I will put custom order, and I'm gonna save it. So let me delete it so you can see. So now if I was to respond to this person that they want a custom design, all I would do is click on custom order. Isn't that cool? It's really, really simple process. And now you could have all these conversations saved. Therefore, you're quicker at responding. And this is really nice because if you are at work or if you're busy, it's not going to take an extra 10 minutes out of your day. Within a few seconds, you can respond to a conversation right away and let them know about whatever they're talking about. Now, this is not meant to send mass communication to a lot of people. Keep in mind that if you do that, Exit did say they will go ahead and deactivate it from you. This is just to simply communicate with people, respond in a quickly manner. It's not to send mass text messages to random people. It's just for people that are interested in your products or already purchased from you and you're just responding back to them, or anyone that show interest or requested like a custom order and you just talk back to them. It's just a quicker way to save conversations in here. And the nice thing, if you wanted to delete them or edit, if you want to edit, you just click on the pencil and you're able to go ahead and edit that conversation, or you could just press delete if you the trash can, and you're able to go ahead and delete as well. So depending on which one you want to do, if you want to just add the whole thing again, just delete it. It will remove it and then just re-add it again if for some reason you want to redo the whole thing again. But this is a really nice feature for anyone out there that wants to respond to a conversation. I always tell people that um, the biggest thing that I take pride on in my Etsy shops, especially my first year, was that I responded to messages a lot quicker than the average person. A lot of it had to do because I do carry my phone with me everywhere and I had a notification. So I would just go through my phone and just automatically respond because it's not like I'm carrying my laptop everywhere. But the quicker you respond to messages on Etsy, the chances of them buying from you grow a lot bigger. A lot of people I've noticed will message you like, "Hey, can you do this?" and they'll message like 10 other stores. And whoever answers that conversation the quickest normally gets the sale. And I know this by the fact that I had freelance customers, and I have seen the same message that came to my store came to their store from the same individual. And I've noticed that that's like a trending thing that people do, unfortunately. So the quicker you respond, the higher the probability of that person buying. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. I think is a really nice tool that Etsy has provided us in order to respond to messages quicker, especially messages that you frequently get, that you already have the response and you can respond quickly. So make sure that you start using it and let me know below if you already were using it or if you have any new hacks or any new tricks that maybe I haven't talked about on my Etsy channel that you would like to share with our community. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.